Hey fam, it's your girl Ponstella, and I have done laundry, and I have always liked the way my mom taught me how to fold towels, and it got me thinking because I was looking at a skit um, earlier, and I didn't like the way the person was folding her towels, so I thought, why not show you how I fold my towels? And of course, there's different ways to do everything, and of course you choose what you like best, but this is what I like. This is not a huge towel, it's a regular size towel, but what I do is you do half, and then you fold the other half across. Then you take this side or whatever side you want to take, cross it over, cross it over again, and there it is, a nice folded towel.